Today is the day, guys. Today is the day. It's the video everyone has been asking for. Okay, no one has actually been asking for this, but I really needed to get my laundry done. And I'm going to show you how I set up a laundromat in my one-bedroom apartment using a portable washer and a portable dryer. Shout out to today's sponsor, Factor. If you haven't heard of them, I will be sharing more details a little later in today's video. Making my bed so I have a clean slate to work from, and now I'm going into the dungeon, my closet. That basket is broken. I'm gonna blame all the clothes being on the floor in my closet on that basket because it's not staying upright. So when I put clothes in it, they just spill out onto the floor. I actually have two hampers. I have one for clothes and one that I use for bedding and for towels. Now I'm going around the apartment just to see if there's anything else I want to wash. I got the dish towels from the kitchen and my parka from the coat rack in my entryway. Time to sort things into categories. I'm doing a pile of whites. I'm doing a pile of towels, a pile of bedding, a pile of clothes that are ready to go straight into the washer, and then another pile of things that need to be pre-treated because they have stains. I'm also gonna wash Samson's bedding. It might not look like a lot, but it's a small washer, so this here is probably about 7 or 8 loads. I keep my portable washer in my hallway closet, and it is an ordeal to take it out. First, I take out that giant whiteboard, then my broom, my mop, a freezer bag, a couple of buckets, my laundry box, a keytar. Everyone has a keytar in their closet, right? And my small gas heater. And then finally, it's time to take out the piece de resistance, the washing machine. Ta-da! This is why I only do laundry like every couple weeks usually. This time it's been before Christmas. That's the last time I did laundry. So I'm a little behind today. Wheeling her into the kitchen. This is what the washer looks like. You'll see I have every option that a fancier washing machine has. You know, I can do heavy duty, I can do soak and wash, I can do standard, I can do quick wash. I'm just gonna do a normal wash cycle. Typically takes about 50 minutes to do a normal wash cycle. And in this load, I've got, I'd say about 10 clothing items total. So I've got some sweatpants, I've got this shacket. So I have some bulkier pieces, but I try not to overstuff it. It does a good job though of taking quite a bit of clothing, I'd say. While the first load is washing, I am now taking all of my tops and it's time to treat them. Every shirt I have has a stain on it. Like, what is wrong with me? Am I a toddler? I'm basically washing kids' clothes right now with the amount of stains I have on my t-shirts. I really try to get this step right and take it seriously now because I have ruined so many favorite tops by not properly doing stain treatment. I use OxyClean and I rub it in with a small toothbrush, and the bottle says to let it sit for 10 minutes, but I am OG gangsta. I let it sit for an hour while that first load washes. Now we've got shirts being treated. We've got laundry being done. I'm going to go and do something productive for a while. I'm going to go and be a member of society. I am going to lay on my bed and read a magazine. It's Saturday. We have a problem. Occasionally, if the lid gets jiggled up on the machine, then I'll get that error message, and it's as simple as opening and closing the lid again. This washer is several years old. I actually inherited it from my neighbor. When she was moving out, she gave me her old washing machine, and I'm so thankful. Thank you, Kumi. Every time you finish a load, you're gonna wanna check this lint trap. It gets all the good stuff, lots of Samson's hair, and I just clean that out after every load and then pops right back in. Load number 2, I am doing my parka. I am doing a pair of denim jeans. I'm doing a pair of leggings, a couple of tops, and a cotton dress, plus these really thick, heavy sweatpants that I have. So this is a bulkier load, but it's all gonna fit. I triple check my pockets before I put something in the washer. I have literally washed my iPhone before. What's the worst thing you've put in your washing machine? Let me know in the comments and make me feel better. Time to set up the dryer. First ball check. Oh. Good boy. This is, I believe it's called the Magic Chef. I will link it in the description box and the exact size that I got. Super simple, I just plug it in the wall and it's good to go. This time I want to try the quick wash cycle just to see how much faster it is. So we're going to do number 3. This is my laundry room. It fits in a box. I use the Trader Joe's Free and Clear laundry detergent. I've got a couple of OxyCleans, these lavender dryer bags. I've got some bleach, some Woolite, some baking soda, and Shout, along with some laundry strips. With the dryer, you're gonna wanna have it in a room that vents. Ideally, it's supposed to vent out into a window, but I've had no problem having it in the bedroom. You do what you can. This is such an unglamorous video, but it's just the realities of living in a small apartment that does not have washer and dryer setups. So I'm really like basically running an illegal underground dry cleaning laundromat in my apartment. That's what it feels like, at least. But seriously, I will break the law to have the freedom to do my laundry privately.
Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
It is a new year and I am recommitting to my health goals. Plus my birthday's in a few months and I want to feel and look my most fabulous ever. Factor is helping me continue my weight loss journey. Cutting out sugar and flour from my life helped me lose the first 50 pounds, and my Factor meal plan includes a keto menu option that's super healthy. So today I'm having their garlic herb salmon with celery root mash and roasted cauliflower. And I didn't have to cook none of it. I literally pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes and it is ready to go, which means no dishes.
Ooh, that looks good.
Factor meals are all cooked from scratch by real chefs using the freshest ingredients and delivered fresh to my door, never frozen. And it's perfect for days where I don't have the time or the desire to meal prep, cook, buy groceries. And I think I already mentioned that I don't have to do dishes, which that's a really big deal in this house. The food is so good, I am practically licking my plate here. And when it's done, it's done. I just toss it in the bin. No muss, no fuss. No cleaning, so it is such a time saver. I track my food, which means I write down what I'm going to eat every day, and Factor takes all of the guesswork out of portion control. Getting in shape takes a lot of work and discipline, so anything that helps me make eating healthy easier is a yes for me. I have a special offer for you guys where you will get $120 off over your first 5 weeks of Factor by clicking my link in the description box under the video or using the code Carla Project 120. Thank you so much, Factor, for sponsoring today's video. And now back to the really hard work of hanging out on my laptop watching memes while my clothes dry. The back of the dryer has this removable lint trap, and so you'll see lots of Samson's hair, and then these are replaceable. Just pop off this part here and clean all that lint as well. So that is quite a lot of lint from one load. Unless I forgot to clean it last time, which is possible. Okay. I've now washed 3 loads of clothing, 1 load of towels. I've got a few things hanging in the bathroom, my coat hanging on my back door. I finished the towels. They're gonna be put into the dryer, and now I'm washing a set of bedding. I wash my scarves by hand and let them air dry. And I do that with more delicate items. Now I'm just doing a little bit of folding. Now it is time to break everything down. The washer has 2 hoses. One you just attach directly to your faucet, and that's what lets the water go into the unit. And the other hose is for draining. I just have it drain right into my kitchen sink, but it would work equally as well in a bathroom scenario, shower, bathtub kind of thing. And you plug it into the wall. That's it. Very easy, very user-friendly. It is getting late, y'all. I have been doing laundry for several hours now. 3 loads of clothes, 1 load of towels, 2 sets of bedding, plus Samson's bedding, and it's getting late. I will be back on the morrow to finish folding items and getting everything back in order. Bed's clear. Last load in the dryer, closet a mess, bed clear, pile of clothes on the chair. This is where we're leaving at for tonight. Oh, he's missing his bed. He's missing his bed. Now it's time to get everything back into the closet. So first I put the washer. It's basically reversing what I did to take everything out. Putting the buckets back in there, the mop, the broom, the keytar, it all fits right back in there like a puzzle piece. And yeah, I love this storage utility closet that I have. Now I am putting my baby boy's bedding together. This thing is like, I don't know, rocket science, but I got it back together. And then I move the dryer into the corner, folding up these last items of clothing, and that's a wrap. Laundry is done. I will leave links below in the description box for the washer and dryer. All in a day's work. Have a good one. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next week. Oh, time to start the day.